how to get best Zipcar promo codes in 2025. So I tried hunting down the best Zipcar promo codes, and here's what I found. First, sign up on Zipcar's website. You'll often get your first month free with a chunk of driving credit, typically $25 worth for new users. Students, faculty, and alumni can score an even deeper discount, sometimes annual membership for around $35, including credits after verifying with a school email. Activate the referral program by asking a friend or finding a link online. Reddit threads are still good. And you both get around $25 in driving credits. Zipcar's own deals page and app sometimes list monthly specials, like waived application fees or discounted plans, especially during holiday seasons. To really lock the best deal, combine a sign up offer, student or annual plan discount, and referral credit. And watch Zipcar's site and trusted coupon sites for flash promos.